Good morning and welcome to another fabulous adventure with the urban hiker / international big shot. I'm rethinking my international big shot moniker, but that's a topic for another video. This morning, it's Saturday morning, it's early, it's about 9 o'clock. We're taking a walk to the Moda Coastal Park, which is supposed to be a really nice park through a really nice neighborhood. It's right next to where I'm staying in Katakoi, and it's about 3 km from my apartment. I'm using Apple Maps rather than Google Maps for a reason which I'll get into in a little while.
Okay, just going hardcore.
I've attempted not this walk, but other walks with Google Maps and failed miserably. And I'll get into why in a little while, but right now the place is pretty much shut down. There's not much going on yet. I think in another video I mentioned that Istanbul does not wake up early. So stay tuned for a fantastic adventure. Once you start walking downhill in Istanbul, I mean really downhill, you know you're heading towards the sea. And that's where we are. We're right at the Bosphorus. And I think if I'm right, the map is right, the park is right along this little path. You can probably tell from some of the pictures that I had on my way here that a lot of the streets in this part of Istanbul are neighborhood type streets. They're not really business routes or anything like that. So they all tend to look alike, at least to me. I haven't been here long enough to get used to what the little alleyways and, single lane roads look like. And most of the roads that I am walking on the last couple of weeks have been single lane roads. So I'm hoping that my data in the phone will last until I get back to the house. Because if it runs out while I'm walking, you may never hear from me again. I find it unusual that I'm actually in a city of 20 million people. This is really quiet here. Of course, it's early in the day. There are people here, runners, walkers, people just sitting around in the sun, walking their dogs. I had 2 other videos in the hopper ready to go, and I looked at them and I thought, these are terrible. So I trashed those and started to figure out what was wrong with those videos. And really, they were just pictures of me walking around town. No commentary. No substance, no context. So I deleted them and wanted to get back to my roots as the urban hiker. So this is back to urban hiking. So far, I'm very pleased with myself because this one was a smashing success so far, if I can find my way back. I got into this park on some little path through the woods, and my main concern right now is finding that path so that I can get it back onto the single lane roads, find my place back to the apartment. Well, you'll be happy to know that I didn't need my phone to get back. I remember the roads better than I thought I would. And you're probably wondering, where is this park? Well, it's on the Asian side of Istanbul. I still get a kick out of saying that. Asian side, European side. Yeah, right now I'm in Asia. It's on the Asian side of Istanbul. You can see on the map here, it's right down by the water, obviously. It wouldn't be a seaside park. Anyway, that was my walk for today. I'm back as an urban hiker. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe by clicking my face over there on the left. That's it for today. I'll show myself out.